Want to remove APK files from your Android phone? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to safely delete an APK file in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. If you installed an app using an APK file, it's a good idea to uninstall the app first if you no longer need it. To do this, press and hold the app icon, then tap App Info. Next, tap Uninstall and confirm your choice. Once the app has been removed, you can delete the APK file from your phone. Now, open the Files app. Tap the search icon and search for APK to find all the APK files stored on your device. Next, press and hold the APK file you want to remove. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Move to Trash. The APK file will be moved to the trash folder. If you want to remove it permanently, go back to the trash folder. Select the APK file, then tap Delete and confirm your choice. And that's it. The APK file has now been permanently removed from your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.